Okay, we'll start with mustard S70 size 8 wet fly hook. This is the Bibio. We've got black tying thread. We'll just attach that and we'll go back along the whole hook shank. This is one of the most well-known Irish wet flies. So a length of silver tinsel, oval. We want this to be length of the hook shank. We just tack that in all the way up and go back down right to the rear of the hook, and we take a small bunch of black seal's fur. We don't need much here at all, so just get it started at the top and then we can slide that up, catch it in. This is a 3 body sections on this pattern, very effective fly, and we want a very scruffy seal's fur body here. So that's the first section. Then we need some red seal's fur. There's something about seal's fur that is just fabulous. It's very translucent, especially when light shines through it. So we've got a nice red centre there, and then another section with black seal's fur, and just catch this in. A little bit too much there, and just pull a bit of that off, and we can good. And we need a black cock hackle, 2 foot forward, back a wee ways, there we are, tie that in, get rid of that, and we want to make a couple of odd through turns at the front, and then we'll go back, palmering this to the edge of the red, and go over to the back of the red, palmer over the rear of the body till we get to there. Then we take our oval tinsel and come under the hook, catch that in, and we go up again, both sides of the red, and pull everything back, bring that up, 2 or 3 turns behind, then we can go in front with a couple of turns, remove that, start at the hook eye, so everything that's looking excellent. Take our scissors, trim off the hackle there, and whip finisher, and we'll just go over the head like so, and give it one more. I can remove that, drop of varnish, That's the finished Bibio wet fly. And if you add 2 small jungle cock eyes, you get the jungle Bibio, an excellent sea drake fly. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.